Welcome all. We are going to see the poem Renovation by Edwin Thumbo. Edwin Thumbo was born in 22nd November 1933. His full name was Edwin Thumbo. He considered as the pioneers of English literature in Singapore. He get education in the University of Malaya in 1956. His poetry is about myth and history. He spent his childhood days in Mandai in Singapore. He wrote collections of poems. This collection includes Rib of Earth in 1956, Ulysses by the Merlion in 1979, A Third Map in 1993. His latest anthology was published in 2018 in the name of A Gathering of Thieves, and his collected works called The Best of Edwin Thumbo was published in 2012. He won award for the National Book Development. He won the Council of Singapore Book Award for Poetry. Next we see the poem lines. I want to feel pure the wind, glazed by dark narrating shadows among the casuarinas tempered by sea salt. I want to see brown the hawk, unrelenting beautiful death dealing, break open the unsuspecting sky. I want to hear folk to the tongue from an uncoiling body tracking, lusty crickets in the loam. I want to touch blue the haze, dimming Karimon, overreach unordered slopes to possible mysteries. I want to taste sharp the petai, straight from the curling pot to hold the village in my mouth. I want these 5 beginnings. Next, in the first stanza, author says he wants to feel the pure wind from the salt-tempered casuarina trees, which gives the darkness and the pure wind. In the second stanza, he wants to see the hawk should defeat the death while enter undoubtedly into the sky. It looks like the bird is directly dealing with the death. He wants to see it again. In the third stanza, the author wants to see the snake uncoiling its body from its place and making hissing sounds from its forked tongue. In fourth stanza, the author says, I want to touch the blue snowy air which has touched the Karimon Island. At last, in the fifth stanza, he wants to taste the petai leaf which has a bitter taste. It commonly seen in the village sites. At last, he concluded this poem by saying, I want these 5 beginnings. Here, the word these reflects that the beginnings are far away from him. Theme of the poem. This poem reflects the rapid urban development and modernization that occurred in Singapore during the 1960s and 1970s. Thumbo uses the metaphor of renovation to describe the transformation of the city. Thank you. And this presentation was done by R. Janani from 2nd M English. Thank you.